Vena has been a game changer for me here at Aurora Plastics. Just the overall impact it's had on bringing visibility to our financial numbers, our sales forecast, just overall process, and driving improvement to the business and helping the management team, the ops team, and the sales team drive improvements and get results. I think it has been an integral part of that process. Our old process of consolidation was an Excel spreadsheet. We had to roll that forward every month, and it would take hours to do. At least 5-6 hours a month. That is completely eliminated. It doesn't take any time now to roll forward because it's automatic. You just go in and you change the month and the reporting month, and all the templates are set up to roll forward. So we don't have to change that at all. Same with the budgeting templates. Every year you'd have to go through and you'd spend hours updating budget templates. You'd be spending hours putting in historical data. Now it's not the case. Now it just rolls forward and the templates are there, and it saves hours of time. Instead of spending time rolling things forward every month, we could spend time doing analytical work, like, what was driving the results, or looking at the budget, what's driving the budget numbers, and have better answers than we did before because we have more time as a team to look at that. The team was already used to using Excel. I was used to using Excel. We could transition this with little impact on the team. Anytime you're doing a transition into a new software, if you can reduce the amount of impact on the end user, it increases the acceptance of that product. The team outside of finance would still see the same style of templates. They'd still see the same style of financial statements. So people outside of the finance group would really not notice the transition. So that was a key aspect, that we could make this as easy as possible to the end user of this product. We started, mid-summer, and we had it up and running by budget season at the end of in fourth quarter. So it was a very smooth process. Everything happened on time and on budget. The ability to do things beyond what the initial scope of the project was. So immediately looking at this, I could see that, I can do consolidations and I can do the year-end budget process. But I immediately started thinking about other things that we could do. We could roll in our sales forecasting process into this. We could roll in our pricing process. There was all kinds of things that I could immediately see that utilizing the Excel function along with the database function, that we could use this beyond just the initial scope that we were scoping out at the time. As we add on all of these different businesses, we could consolidate the results. We have a one master chart of account, and we could take these different systems that we acquire, because Vena is system agnostic, so it doesn't matter what system they're on. We could take that and roll that in almost instantaneously and get a consolidation without having to go through all the different steps of updating that spreadsheet. So when we evaluated all of the different products, Vena really stuck out, for those reasons. It wasn't just, hey, we're going to build you a system and dump it on you. We're going to help you build the system, and we're going to teach you how to use it and how to, really get the enhancements out of it. It has allowed me to be that agent of change. That's where Vena can help. It can really help be a solution to a problem. I've identified the problem, and Vena has allowed me to fix it.